Hello there. Okay, quick video right now showing you how to save your file as a JPEG and send that file to me in an email attachment. Whether you're using a laptop that isn't connected to the printer networks or for your t-shirt design assignment, you need to change this Photoshop document into a JPEG and, as I previously stated, send it to me via email. Very simple. This is how we do it. So this is just an example of the buttons. Make sure that you save your work. But when you want to send it to me, we're going to go File, Save As. Save As is going to allow us to change the document from a .psd. Save on your computer. Title it. Make sure you're saving it to your folder. Click on that folder. Save as type. I'm going to click here and choose JPEG for our purposes. There's all sorts of different files that you can change it to. Not JPEG 2000, not JPEG stereo, just a regular old JPEG. Save. This screen's going to come up and you can just crank up this slider to make it the best resolution possible. If it's larger than 25 megabytes, it's not going to send through email. So notice how as I change this slider, the size of the file changes. 2.5 megabytes is just fine. Okay, that's part one. Part two, we're going to open up your mail. I like to do it through Google Chrome and my site. So you're going to go to My Mail. New message, and then type in my email address, which is matthew.colpitz@lrsd.net. I'll always try to have it written on the board for you. Okay, then we need to attach the file. Sometimes if you've recently saved it, it may show up right here. But often you also just need to browse the computer and get the file from the location that you saved it. So mine is in Mr. Matt Colpitz. Now, one other quick thing. Don't send me an icon that has this picture, not a .psd. When you're sending me a file, it should actually be a picture of your Photoshop work. Click, open. It's going to take a couple seconds for it to attach. Feel free to add a little friendly message in there. You're the best teacher ever, Mr. Colpitz. Yay! And send it. That's it. That's it. That's all. Thank you very much.